Do you know that more than 74% of the websites are built with PHP code? And though it is fairly slow and we have better options available like Node.js, Python and JavaScript, PHP has been around for the last 30 years. And in the digital marketing ecosystem, we are confident that it will continue to define the web development experience for major businesses forever. Hi friends, my name is Gary and I'm the CEO at Softtrix. We as a team have over 500 dedicated developers and have delivered 250 plus projects across 25 plus countries over the last 15 years of operations. At Softtrix, our goal is simple: to be your trusted partner for every white label marketing need today and for the years to come. Our white label PHP development services provide you an agile methodology with a prolonged experience and flexible approach. And our professional team ensures on-time delivery and advanced security for your web business. And the reason why we focus on PHP development is that it is the easiest coding language. To date, it has just 8 updates, which shows how less it has changed over a period of time. For us to start working, we just need to know your requirements and to deliver the final product within your deadline. Our white label PHP web development services offer faster time to market, accessibility to qualified experts, secured NDA protocols, high quality project management, and advanced coding standards. Whether your requirement is for app development, e-commerce PHP development, PHP CMS development, social networking solutions, API integration, PHP support and maintenance, we have a list of satisfied clients with a robust web application that has scaled upwards in the competitive AI-driven marketplace. Witness the magic of our work, process and attention to detail for achieving client satisfaction. Here are a couple of client testimonials for PHP web development. These reviews showcase why Soft is the best white label PHP development agency. Moreover, we promise to provide a full-time dedicated model for your clients, that too exclusively under your brand, which means your company will always stay at the center and in the limelight for all the mastery we produce. And remember, we serve every industry and client size for long-term success. Today, Softtrix has a team of over 500 plus developers. Each developer has extensive experience in building robust, scalable, and feature-rich websites. And our white label PHP developers know how to commit to a project and keep their identity undisclosed. We excel in using frameworks and platforms like Laravel, WordPress, Symfony, and CodeIgniter to provide structure, reusable components, and security features like no other, making your website stand out in the industry. So, if you need a completely invisible partnership with a masterful web development agency for fast, reliable, and scalable results anywhere in this world, look no further. You know the name. Contact Softtrix for brand customized white label PHP development services and get full credit for expert level marketing. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you found this video helpful, please do not forget to visit our website or call us at the number provided on the screen. Partner with Softtrix today and become the agency your clients can't stop talking about. Thank you.